Hi, my name is John. I hired Epic Roof Replacement to do a roof replacement for me. The roof it was a little bit older, so it was over 15 years, and there was a small leak here and there that we noticed, which prompted the call to Epic Roof Replacement. I was looking online, started a search, and then I got an advertisement on Facebook, and I messaged them, and immediately they messaged back. The quote was immediate. They did it I guess through satellite, so I was able to get a quick quote before they even came out. Then after I got that quote, then they came out and did an actual inspection. The quick responses was really good. Once the project manager got out, when he got out to the site, he was really helpful. The crew was fine to work with. Again, I dealt with the manager that was out here on site pretty quickly, and he communicated everything to them really quickly. Yes, I would definitely recommend them. I did just the efficiency of their work, how fast they were out. And again, they gave me options. You can do this. They weren't just like, this is your only option. They gave me 2 or 3, which for me was a good thing. Thank you, Epic Roof Replacement, for my wonderful roof and quick and fast service.